Hey guys, what's cooking? Man, just had lunch up here in Carpinteria. And yeah, I went off my diet and had a nice big barbecue bacon cheeseburger. But hey, you gotta splurge once in a while. And it is almost 80 degrees here, zero wind. And it just looks like summer, the umbrellas, the kids, the people sunbathing. And I'm standing in the ocean and the water's crystal clear. I think I just saw a big old fish swim by right now. Whoa. The water feels nice. Man, it's just so cool. I love this beach. World's safest beach, they say. And started the video out with this little beach house up here that has the bed on the back patio. Pretty crazy. The guy said it belongs to the guy, one of the famous infomercial guys. That, you know, pocket fisherman and a bunch of stuff like that. But some trivia. But I see that that backyard when I come up here, and it's kind of crazy. But there it is. There's your weather for Carpinteria. Beautiful day up here, no wind. Just awesome. Get outside if it's not too windy. Ventura's tore up right now. Take care. Wow, look at the size of that shell. A lot of shells up here. Look at that. It's like oysters. Check out this crystal clear water right here in this little sandbar. The tide's going out or coming in, I'm not sure. It's pretty cool. A lot of really cool people up here we were talking to. Not much for waves right here, but they do have a point down there. And this beach has some crazy shells. Don't really see any sea glass, but if you like shells, it's a good place to come. Along with the Rincon. Look at that. Woo! February right here. Walking in the water. Remember last summer I was out here all the time? Getting soaking wet. I can't believe my phone survived a whole year. But I'm out of here for reals. Take care.